In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make having a PayPal account optional for your buyers by enabling guest checkout in PayPal. This feature is particularly useful if you want to provide a seamless experience for customers who may not have a PayPal account but still wish to purchase through your online store. Let's walk through the steps to set this up so your buyers can enjoy a smoother checkout experience. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the PayPal homepage. Open your favorite web browser and type in the official PayPal website URL. Once you're there, locate the login button. It's usually found at the upper right hand corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Now enter your PayPal account credentials, your email and secure password to log in. Once you're logged into your PayPal dashboard, you might see a prompt asking if you prefer to receive security codes via WhatsApp or a regular text message. Choose your preferred option to receive the security code. This step is crucial as it ensures you're the one accessing the account. Enter the code once you receive it so you can successfully proceed. With the verification completed, you will be directed to your PayPal homepage. From here, navigate to the settings by clicking on the cogwheel icon, often found in the top right section of the page. This will open up a menu with various options related to your account. Within the settings menu, you'll need to select the Seller Tools option. This section contains tools specifically for merchants and is where you'll adjust the settings necessary for enabling guest checkout. After clicking on Seller Tools, look for Website Preferences. Selecting this will bring up a range of settings related to how your website integrates with PayPal. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options if you're managing an online store. Now here is the key step. Find the section labeled PayPal Account Optional. This is the feature that allows buyers to check out without being forced to create or log into a PayPal account. You'll want to toggle this option on to enable it. It's as simple as clicking on the checkbox, which should then confirm your selection, and there you have it. Make sure to save any changes before exiting. By activating this feature, you're offering greater flexibility to your customers, which can help improve checkout conversion rates on your site by accommodating buyers regardless of whether or not they have a PayPal account. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, providing a hassle-free checkout process can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and potentially boost your sales. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day setting up your store for success.